Thank you for joining me on exercise 6E. I'm going to be looking at question 1E and 1F. And this is to write down the quadrant and the associated acute angle when theta is 564 degrees, or when theta equals negative 22 degrees. Well, let's have a look at the y-axis and the x-axis, and we've got quadrant 1 between 0 and 90. We've got quadrant 2 between 90 and 180. We've got quadrant 3 between 180 and 270. We've got quadrant 4 between 270 and 360. Let's just change that to quadrant 2. I'll use Roman numbers for quadrant 2 and quadrant 3. Now 564, well, if we go around a full 360 degrees, there's 360 degrees. We still got another 204 degrees to go. So 360 plus another 204. So let's go another 90, another 180, and 204 is another 24 degrees into 24 degrees more from what they say, 540 degrees, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 90s, so 6 right angled revolutions is 540, plus another 24 degrees is 564 degrees. So let's say that we're in 564 degrees is in quadrant 3. Now this is shown by, you could say theta is, we could go 360 plus degrees, plus another 180, plus another 24 degrees. So from the x-axis, we could have said it's 540 degrees plus 24 degrees. This is our acute angle. The acute angle is what you get when you take that 90 degree angle to the x-axis. And the acute angle is in fact, because it's 540 plus 24, it's a 24 degree acute angle. That'll come in very, very important later when we're dealing with angles. It's always good to know how to calculate the acute angle of any angle. Always the angle to the x-axis. Let's do 1F, and we've got our y-axis, We've got our x-axis, and if we start at 0, we've got 0 here. And let's go negative 22 degrees in the negative direction, so it's clockwise is negative direction. So negative angle, negative 22 degrees is clockwise 22 degrees. And we end up just here, not far. Oh, oops, what was that? .22 degrees. So this is quadrant, well, we've got a quadrant 1 up here. We've got quadrant 2 over here between 90 and 180. We've got quadrant 3 down here between 180 and 270. We've got quadrant 4 between 270 and 360. Also, if we come back, it's between 0 and negative 90 degrees is quadrant 4. So we can say, therefore, negative 22 degrees is in quadrant 4. And what is the acute angle? Well, the acute angle is 0 minus 22 degrees. So this is the acute angle. If you get a triangle, or get the angle to the x-axis, you see the acute angle for negative 22 is in fact 22 degrees. I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.